What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we're going to be reviewing the Eazi-Grip tank pads. Now, these are an excellent addition to your motorcycle and are really meant to stop you from sliding forward on your tank. If you ever hit the brakes on your bike and you're not squeezing the tank, you're going to slide forward. These prevent that by increasing the amount of friction between your leg and the tank. Now, these are going to come in two different varieties. On my right here, we have the silicone, and then directly left of that, we have the Pro style. Now, as you can see, there is a big textural difference between the two. If you're going to be predominantly street riding or maybe ADV riding, you're not going to need a ton of grip, as you're either going to be standing up or really not needing that extra amount of friction that you would if you were riding on a racetrack, which is where the silicone variety comes into play, because it is less abrasive and therefore more comfortable, but also easier to live with all around. Now, if you're going to be riding on the track and you're going to want that extra friction and feel that mechanical lock between you and the bike, then these Pro styles are an excellent option because they are so much grippier. As you can see on the surface, there's a bunch of little dots and stuff, and all these dots are going to work to provide increased friction. They also come in clear here. Now, these are not pink. They do have a pink backing though, but once you peel that backing off, you're left with a clear tank pad. They're easy to install, comes with everything you need to install them as well, and they look great too. They're also going to protect your motorcycle's paint over time, because things aren't going to be allowed to hit the side of the tank, and then especially with this center pad here, stuff like your zippers, your belt buckle, and other stuff like that. So it's just going to protect your paint in the long run too. As mentioned before, these do come in black and clear for the Pro line, which is the ones we are going with. We just wanted to show you everything that the kit comes with. So you have your tank pads, a set of instructions here, alcohol wipes, stickers, a couple buttons to fill these little holes in the tank pads in. And I mean, they're all really straightforward to install. Just read the instructions. You will need some sort of heat source, whether that be a heat gun or a hairdryer, to install these. It allows for the best adhesion possible. Now, one last thing to note is that these tank pads are made in the UK, and they are supporting riders in British Superbikes, BSB essentially, and as well as World Superbikes. So these are tried, tested, and proven to be effective at their job. But with all that being said, let's throw them on the bike. So we got the tank pads installed on the Daytona, and this is going to be a welcome upgrade, especially when we get this thing on the track later this month. We're really gonna want this extra grip that these are going to provide, and it's going to make a world of a difference riding the bike. But that's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in more content like this, hit that bell notification so you can stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.